We had a really lovely time with David and Rosie. Cooking in their apartment was actually really intimate, friendly and relaxed. We were quite hands-on with the food prep and the resulting food was fabulous. David and Rosie were easy company and great to chat to about all things Argentina as well as food. Highly recommend. My husband and I had such a lovely time with Chef David and his sister in Mendoza. He was a wonderful teacher, patiently helping us make several dishes and cocktails, explaining the processes and their cultural significance. He was so friendly and interesting, my husband and I overstayed our time chatting with him. The hosts, David and Rosario, were amazing. He was knowledgeable about local cuisine and explained the techniques very well. He also went into the history of some of the food. It was a great experience to have a glimpse into local life and local food. This was an amazing educational and delicious opportunity. David and Rosie are such gracious hosts. We learned how to make empanadas, bife de chorizo, and more. Everything was just perfect. The space is nice, there is great parking, great location. David and Rosa were wonderful hosts. As was Coco the dog. It was very interesting to learn about the cooking. It's a wonderful concept and we've had an amazing time cooking and learning and mixing with people from other countries. Chef David was an excellent host. I would highly recommend adding on the supermarket tour. Very informative instruction and delicious recipes. We had a lot of fun. Would highly recommend for anyone visiting Mendoza. This was an excellent experience in Mendoza. David and Rosaria were excellent hosts. We enjoyed the cooking lesson. We will definitely be making the empanadas at home, and the food was fantastic. This was a really fun experience. The chefs were very nice and the food and drinks were delicious. Smile. It was fun learning more about Argentine food and culture from people who grew up in Mendoza. Lovely afternoon learning new cooking techniques. Great food. Great company. Wonderful hosts. We'll definitely be using the recipes we learned, sent later as a digital cookbook. This was a fun and unique experience. We learned to make some authentic Argentine dishes and learn about the culture. The meal was delicious. Would highly recommend. Really good fun. Really interesting, and we made some great food together. Started in the market, which was interesting, and then back for drinks and empanada making. Such a great experience with Chef David and Rosaria. They are both so lovely and it was such a fun way to learn about Argentine cuisine and meet other travelers. Had a great time at David's. David and Rosie and both lovely and the food was great. David's English is really amazing too. Learned lots and had fun. A fabulous experience to share a casual traditional family meal. You can learn something new and taste some delicious food, cocktails and wine.